Hi children! How are you feeling today? I hope that you are all feeling good and safe. Do you have any idea for a new topic in science? Very good! This week, let us learn about Lesson 16, Plants and Animals Interaction in Estuaries and Intertidal Zones. In this lesson, you are expected to identify the biotic and abiotic components of estuaries and intertidal zones. Discuss the interactions among living things and non-living things of estuaries and intertidal zones. Recognize the physical factors in the ecosystems that enable organisms to survive. Can you do it? Great! As social beings, we interact with our family, friends, and neighbors. We try to get along with them for peace and prosperity. Organisms in the estuaries and intertidal zones interact with each other too. Each organism plays a distinct role in the ecosystem. Interaction may have a positive or negative effect on them. Let's find out how living things survive as they interact with each other and the environment.
The world we live in is very rich in resources, whether it be terrestrial or aquatic. Our Earth is teeming with many living organisms. The characteristics of the non-living environment, such as wave action, water salinity, and temperature, help determine which organisms thrive in particular areas near the sea. Since plants and animals live together in any kind of environment, several interactions happen between them. Study the illustrations and answer the questions that follow as we go along our discussion. Have you ever watched pigeons while they pick up food from the ground? Have you seen fish and frogs swim in the pond? Have you enjoyed watching butterflies and bees gather nectar from flowers? These are examples of interactions taking place in ecosystems. Being examples of ecosystems, interactions takes place in estuaries and intertidal zones too. Intertidal zones are influenced by interactions between the living things or biotic factors present in the area. The biotic factors refer to all the species in the area. They interact with the non-living or abiotic factors. The abiotic factors refer to water, soil, rocks, air, wind, sunlight, rain, and temperature. The biotic factors interact with each other in any of these ways: predation, competition, commensalism, mutualism, parasitism.
To sum up, what are the biotic and abiotic components of estuaries and intertidal zones? That's right. What are the interactions among living things and non-living things in estuaries and intertidal zones? Exactly. What are the physical factors present in the ecosystems that enables organisms to survive? Correct. That is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something today. Kindly answer the activity uploaded in our science course third quarter folder. Submit your output in the assignment link uploaded in the same folder. Goodbye, stay safe and healthy.